Hi guys, I hope you guys are getting a lot of rest and staying safe out there while we are out of school. This video I'm going to show you right now is how I'm going to want you to format your NTI work, okay? I'm going to give you guys like one lesson a day. It's only going to be probably like 20 or 30 minutes, and then you'll have one homework assignment a week. And that's just kind of how we're going to go through this thing until we are back in school and I get to see your beautiful faces again, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start rolling this so you can see kind of how I want you to format it. So in the top left corner of every page, I want you to write your name, just like I did, your class period, and your date. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. There's nothing really super complicated about that. And then underneath that, in the middle of the page, I would like you to write the title of whatever assignment we're doing. That's just going to help me figure out what I'm actually grading when I get it back from you or when I get it on Google Classroom. And just keep in mind, I am learning just as much as you guys are how to do this NTI stuff, so it's probably going to be a little slow and a little awkward at first. But I would like you to skip a line in between problems and notes, just so they're a little nice and neat, so I'm able to read them a little easier when I grade. If you don't do that, a lot of the times it's hard for you to read when you're studying, and it's hard for me to read when I grade. Just like we do in class, all your work has to be shown. That is literally nothing new. So pretty much everything that I write, you need to write. If you don't need to write it, I will make sure to tell you. But unless I'm explicitly saying don't write this, you need to be copying it down on your paper. And the last thing is, it should pop up here in a second, is I really want you to try to use lined paper if you can. I know not all of us have it at home, and that's okay. So if you can't use lined paper, that's all right. But if you can, please do, just because it'll be easier for you to go back and study. It'll be way easier for me to go back and see too. So it'll just make our lives easier all around. But that is how I want you to format it. I miss you guys so much. I wish we were back in school. And hopefully this is all over with soon and we only have to do this a little bit. But thanks, guys.